9. Ride air. In our hectic life, a flat tire can really make you feel trouble. But the ride air is ready to push you out. Just press the power button and resume your routine. The design is equipped with unique features. Ride air inflates your tire during the natural loss of air pressure. It can be refilled in no time using an air compressor, and built-in safety prevents leaking. The metal cable lock protects your brake as well as ride air. With ride air, you can always inflate other things. 8. Solar paper and pouch. While going outdoor, battery issue frequently troubles us. Say thanks to Yolk solar paper. Just plug in the cord and it's ready to go. Solar paper is so small and thin that you can conveniently carry it wherever you go. It can fully charge your iPhone in just 2.5 hours. Even if the cloud or shadow disturbs the process, the auto reset feature resumes charging. The LCD screen lets you know the exact power amount the solar paper is generating. You can also charge a number of devices by adding additional panels. Embedded magnets hold the panels so you can store the solar paper with ease. Seven. Vacuvita. Introducing Vacuvita, a latest kitchen innovation to reduce food waste and save money. The system is controlled by a simple touch. Vacuvita keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer. With its unique design and automated features, Vacuvita beats its competitors. The convenience of vacuum storage can be extended by using Vacuvita bags and containers. The Vacuvita creates a vacuum to keep your food fresh and tasty for longer. You can use Vacuvita for coffee, vegetables, and other leftovers, and store them in a freezer. Cook what you like, when you like. The Vacuvita bags and containers are ready to give you exceptional results every time. Save food, save money, and forget leftovers. 6. Ring holder. Introducing Shinjimoru, a magnetic ring phone holder. Ringo reduces the chance of any damages from dropping your phone. Place your phone on a mount and feel free. No needs of an extra car mount. Ringo is convenient with existing dock. Five, Pixter Rigid Tripod. If you want stability while taking pictures, Pixter is the right choice for you. Go anywhere. It is compatible to any surface or object like bars or branches. Just bend the legs and here we go. Taking pictures like professional is easier now. 4. Ivation Portable Outdoor Shower. Now your outdoor adventure will be more enjoyable with Ivation Portable Shower. Quick installation and easy to use. Just hook it on where you feel comfortable, drop the pump into water, and it's ready to go. You can also use Ivation to wash your car or other vehicles. The flow of water is gentle enough for pets, seniors, and babies. To recharge the shower, just plug in a laptop, car adapter, or computer via USB. Fully charged shower runs up to 1 hour. Three, Quirky Pivot Power. Power outlet becomes a serious issue when you try to plug in various adapters. Here it is, the solution. Quirky, a flexible and bendable power outlet. With 6 outlets and flexible design, it is able to manage all your adapters. So go and get your power outlet now. Two, Dxo One. Now capture your memorable moment in HD pictures even in low light with Dxo One pocket-sized camera. Simply plug into your iPhone or tablet and capture mesmerizing pictures in no time. The top of the Dxo has a large shutter button, and the back has a small touchscreen that provides camera info. Dxo One cares about your memories. At number 1, we have Luminaid Pack Light, a 2-in-1 phone charger plus portable lantern device. It's foldable and lightweighted. Press the power button and select the mode you like. Dual charging option lets you power up the Lumina by using a USB port or placing it in sunlight. You can also use it as a battery backup for your mobile device. It's completely water resistant. Whether you're on adventure or picnic, Luminaid will be your perfect companion.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.